So this morning we are going to fix the afzuigkap. So I'm not going to fix it actually. The company where I bought it, they're going to come and fix it. What I have done is I removed the thing that was there, right there, that cover there. I kind of remove it first and then just kind of, I was thinking of painting here, but the girl is tired, so I thought let them fix the thing, and then if the space remain, I'll fix. This one is where I put the spices and the color, but it's okay. So this is what I kind of remove everything and put like a towel on the stove area because I just clean it. I didn't want it to be dirty. So this is what is going on. I'm kind of clean the kitchen. I wanted to cook, but because they're coming to fix it very early, so I'm just kind of prepare everything that I need to cook. I'm gonna cook okra soup with fufu and plantain, and the weather is very beautiful, so you guys can see the garden is, we still haven't fixed this thing yet, but hopefully by next week, I think so, they will come and fix it. But the weather is really beautiful, but it's very hard for someone to see outside because of the sun penetrates, and without the zonnescherm it's very difficult to see outside. So this is what things I have dirty laundries to wash. So this is what things are looking like. I'm kind of busy with cleaning. So yeah, just leave it like this for now. And when they fix it, I'll show you guys the finished results. I also bought like a lot of flies right now. We are in the summertime, a lot of flies. I also bought one of these things. You guys can see it's so many flies. I'm thinking of changing that one because I bought a new one. So when they fix this thing, I'm thinking of also hanging one on top of there because sometimes you have the flies also around there. But I'm going to change this one as well. I'm going to change this one, and I'm going to change the other one and then fix new ones there because this one looks very disgusting. So yeah, I'm going to change it and then fix a new one. It'll be much more easier. But yeah, this is what things are looking like. So guys, they have fixed this one. Actually, this one, because it's the veiligheid, the safety measurement, you're supposed to hang it 75 centimeter away from the stove. So because now they've hung it this way, it's a little bit higher. There's no space for me to fix this. So this one will not be needed anymore. But the only thing is that I have to go to the store and look for something to close that one there, so that I wouldn't have mess coming out, and also a little bolt to close there as well. So that is what I'm about to. Maybe I can even cut something from here. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just kind of thinking what to do. A little bowl that I can use to close there. And yeah, that's actually is it. That is it. So let me go to the store and look for something to close there. And maybe one of these days, not today, because one of these days I may go on with the paint and paint it. I can actually look for something to put here as well. Excuse me. Something to put here as well, to put like my spices, like spice or something like here. Something to put here, something, I don't know. I already have my spice container, but I need something more because yeah, I have this lot of space. So now they fix it. Let me guys show you how it works here. With this one, you don't need the, I don't know how you call this in English, the lighting, because this one, it comes with its own. It has this thing underneath there that you don't need to fix the lighting. Let me show you guys the box. I don't know how you call it in English, but this is it. So because you have this one, you don't need that thing that goes from there to the thing. So it's okay. So this is what it looks like. Let me show you guys. This thing is good, man. Alright, is it? It's so good. And when you turn it down, the paper floor, and then the second one is also very good. And and then you can go. The third one is the highest. You can put the light on. It also comes with lights, so it's good. It's hung properly, so it's kind of good. So this is what it's looking like. So now I'm going to the praxis quickly to go and see if I can get something. And the man gave me this one to use as an example, so that I can get something that you can put in there. I have to make pictures of that so I can explain to them properly. But yeah, let's go and do this, and then I'll be back. So this is a finished result. Not a finished result because I still have to paint and close that, but I've already bought that thing to close that area, but I still have to paint that tiny space there and paint around. And I'm also looking for something to put here, but I saw something on Bol.NET, but I have to measure the space that I have in between here before I can order it. But so far so good. If I paint everything, I think it will look nicer. So I've cleaned it, and now your girl is about to cook because I have to cook. So this is it.